Hello beautiful subscribers. In this video I will show you how you can be winning Wingo game on this platform Fb999. Alright, so this strategy I'm about to show you is a strategy that is tested and trusted. And if you check from my account right now, let me show you. I am presently having 3,032.83 naira, and actually day before yesterday all I was having here was 600 naira. Okay, so 600 naira now, just within 2 days I have been able to turn it to 3,000 naira. And the good thing here is that if I continue with this within the next 2 days, I will even have a better result than this, which is this 3,000 naira. Now if you come over to the home section, I will be showing you what you have to do in order to get this. Now for those of you who are new here, Fb999 is a platform where you can play casino games to earn, and then of which Wingo game is one of the games on this platform. And it seems that this Wingo game is solely owned by Fb999. So except other games which you can play like Aviator and Bounce, Limbo, there is Wingo game, which is Wingo Signal games, which you can play in order to earn on this platform. And they have a WhatsApp group where they post these signals. All right, so they post these signals and then you copy this signal and then you play it exactly the way it is. If you want to register right now on this Fb999, you can check the description section of this video and then you are going to see the link there. Make sure you register and then make a deposit. After making a deposit, then come right over here. Let's know what you have to do in order to earn on this platform with ease. So guys, before we proceed in this video, if you are gaining value, you can give this video a like. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification if you haven't, and then you can also join our social handles via the links on the description, which is WhatsApp and Telegram. So this is Wingo game right here. So this is Wingo. Now this is what you have to do. You come over, you join their Telegram signal group, which I'm also going to drop on the description section of this video. So if you join that group right now, you are going to see where they post signals. So this is it. If I scroll up now, you are going to see this signal. You can see the signal which they sent here. Now these are the things you have to take note of. First of all, for now the stage is not important. Let me cancel it. Now you have to take note of the minutes, then the period, and also here that is written select. So now let's go back to this place. Okay, now let's click on Wingo. So if we click on Wingo now, the first thing you can remember which we saw there is 5 minutes. So you click on this 5 minutes right here. So if you click on this 5 minutes right here, you then scroll down. Now let's go back to check that signal again. You can see that the period over here shows 264. Okay, so now you come over to this place again and fetch 264. They haven't started operating yet, understand? So I'm just making this video as a demo, so you can see that it was 264. Then for you to know if this signal is for that that's if this game is for that signal or if it corresponds, you have to check the last 3 digits right over here. Once it corresponds to 264, just as we saw it right over here, you are going to know that this game is for this signal. Then you can see the select right over here. It says small. All right, so you just come back here and then click on small. So if you click on small, that's when you have confirmed that that 264 corresponds with the last digits there, which I just showed you. Then you click on small. If you click on small, then you select the amount you want to use to play. Okay, so you, after selecting the amount, let's say maybe it's 100 naira, 200, 300, I don't know. So you just put it there. If you put it there, you play it. Then this countdown is 5 minutes. Once it gets to 0, you are going to see if you won the bet or if you didn't. Then this is the hack which I am about to show you, which you can use to be winning. But you just have to know that even as you are winning, you are not going to be winning much. Okay, so I was able to grow my 600 naira to 3032 naira using this strategy. Now let's go back. So after we are back now, this is what you have to be looking out for if you want to be winning your games. I initially thought that this stage wasn't important because even on the game, they won't tell you that the stage is important, but the stage plays a very, very big role on your winning. So once your stage shows 7, there is at least 90% chances that that game is going to win. And in a day, 7, that stage 7 comes up like 2 times in a day, sometimes 3 times, but at most it used to come 2 times. So make sure you won't be playing every of these other games, even if they enter or if they don't. That's how I do my own. I just want to carry am jejely now. At least in a day, it should be a doubler. If you use 1000 to play to start it, before tomorrow you might be having 2000 if you play those 2 games or 3 games, which is stage 7. Then next tomorrow you have 4000, another day you have 6000, another day you have 12,000. But nevertheless, guys, this particular strategy can still won out. You know, it's online. They can still upgrade or optimize their system, so it can still become obsolete. So you just have to grab it now when it is still working and when it's hot. So for now, I believe and I know that it is still working. Make sure you start betting on games that are only 7. Once you see it is number 7, know that there is a very high chance that it is going to enter. For me, I will keep betting on 7. I won't mind to bet on stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, even if it enters or not. But stage 7, just know that there is very, very high chance that it will enter. So this is just the piece of information I want to pass to you on this video. If you have any questions, you have any inquiry, you have any difficulty, you can just contact me right on the you can drop a comment on the comment section. Stage 7 is very, very safe and very, very lucrative. Stage 7. Nevertheless, I'll always tell you this: make your own research before investing into any of this. So no just dey carry am jejely like this. We are still going to make this money or turn this money into something. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do have a nice day and see you in my next video.